Catch Up Fridays. Okay, now ngayon, in the implementation of the Catch Up Fridays, there's also one problem. I've been giving you problems kasi the problems will be reactive. Now I'm telling you, pag gagawa tayo, sequence ako, pag gagawa tayo ng news, it should be problem-solution approach. Gone are the days na yung tira nyo is just event-based. Okay? You look at the problem. Now, one of the problems with Catch Up Fridays is that during the orientation in the central office, in-orient kami na supervisor about the Catch Up Fridays, and in fact, we are not sold out to the program. Bakit? Okay. There is actually intervention of these different programs in the curriculum. But one of the problems is that instead of catching up, what happens is they have introduced new competencies, no? Like cover the teacher. Okay, so in other words, the teachers will be studying new lesson to be implemented during a Catch-Up Friday. That would be too much for the teacher. Nahirapan na kasi na sa 4 days, mag-add ka pa ng isa. Okay, kaya during our implementation, we learn to contextualize policies. Ito ginagawa dapat ng division at siyang school. May policy tayo sa central office, but if you think that does not work, okay, we contextualize it as long as we actually gearing towards the same output. Yung pagkabasa ang mga bata, ma-reach natin ang ka. So what we as our solution, actually I argued with my education program supervisor or education program supervisors because they just wanted to subscribe to the CO. Now I told them, ma'am, kita galing na supervisor, the reason galing na adapt what the CEO saying. If we're selling this to the teachers, I don't think they're going to follow this. Okay? So we think of the welfare of the teacher. Now ngayon, tanongin ko kayo, what is the meaning of the word catch up? You catch something that is left behind. That's the simple meaning of catch up. It doesn't mean you have to introduce new lesson. You have to catch what is left. Kaya, my suggestion to my program supervisor, why don't we let the teachers focus on the mastery of the competencies within the 4 days? Now ngayon, whatever is the competency or the lesson that was not mastered in the 4 days, you have to reteach that one on Friday. That's catch up, simple meaning of catch up. Bakit bibigyan pa natin si teacher ng bagong lesson study? So what happened, there are schools na wanted to subscribe to it. During the first week of implementation, nakita natin, mas nag-prepare pa si teacher sa Catch Up Friday kasi sa regular lesson. Just imagine, no? Yung regular lesson mo, yung competency, pero na sila sa preparation Catch Up Friday, so something is wrong, no? Another thing is that, actually there is good intention with Catch Up Friday because we would like to integrate itong tinatawag natin, itong, we would like to our students to have peace competencies and peace builders. Bakit? Number one, pervasive problem in our schools is actually bullying. Okay? So, pag ang isang bata is na-bully, what happens is that nagkaroon ng mental state of imbalance or hindi na siya gaganahan pumunta sa school kasi he's being bullied. Okay? So that would be one of the cause why students are at risk of dropping out. Okay? Magda-drop na lang. Kaya naman, hindi naman siya ganahan, wala naman siya peace. That's something is wrong with the culture in school kasi bullying has become a norm. Norm like sa mga bata na manunod sa classmate, no, without actually thinking of what is the mental state of the fellow classmate. Now this is one move. Kasi in our lesson in Catch Up Friday, we are supposed to be integrating values education. So, itong values education should not be taught by values education teachers alone. It should be taught by all teachers. Okay, kaya even prior to this, no, meron na tayong, okay, by the way, ito yung data natin with regards to bullying. According to PISA 2019, 65% of Filipino students reported being victims of bullying at least a few times in a month. Okay? According to PISA 2022, 1 of 3 Filipino students are being bullied in school. 40% of that are girls and 50% of that are boys. Okay? So, now, even prior to that, we already have this detention order. Actually, that order is 2003 pa. Just imagine 2003, but it was not given importance. Okay, what does